Hello everyone. So today we are going to enter inside a new topic. So till now we have completed the introduction for pharmacology, ANS, your local anesthetics and skeletal muscle relaxants. Okay. So now we are going to see about the drugs acting on CNS, that is your central nervous system. Okay. So before entering inside the central nervous system, I just want you to be clear with some topics. Okay. So what do you mean by action potential? What do you mean by neurotransmitters? And what are the neurotransmitters that is acting on your brain? And the next thing is, and what are all the excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmitters. Okay, so today I am not going to give any class, so I just want all of you to prepare an assignment. Okay, so what do you mean by action potential, what do you mean by neurotransmitter, and what are all the neurotransmitters acting on the brain, and what are all the excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmitters. Okay, so materials I taken from the this book, Sembulingam. So I think it is enough sufficient for you. I just want you to prepare an assignment. Okay, so you just write the definition for neurotransmitter, and one more thing, what are all the criteria or what are the requirement for a substance to be a neurotransmitter. Okay, so you just be clear on this. So the substance to be a neurotransmitter, okay, so it should fulfill certain characteristics. So what I mean, it should be found in a neuron, it must produced by a neuron. Okay, it must be released by the neuron. After release, it must act on the target area and produce some biological effect, and after action it must be inactivated. Okay, so next we have to go with classification of neurotransmitters. So based upon the chemical nature, and the thing based upon the function. Okay, so chemical nature, you can have neurotransmitters as a amino acids, amines and other substances, and based upon the function you can have the neurotransmitters as excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmitters. Okay, so this excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmitters, this is very much important. So this thing, GABA, glycine, glutamate, aspartate, noradrenaline, adrenaline, dopamine, serotonin, histamine, nitric oxide and acetylcholine, so are all the important neurotransmitters. And I just want you, what are all the neurotransmitters acted on your brain, and what are the excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmitters. So excitatory means it will increase or it will cause excitation of your nerve cells, and inhibitory neurotransmitters means it will inhibit your nerve cells, or it will inhibit the function of your nerve cells. Okay, so this difference I just want you to know. Okay, so just prepare an assignment, and I want you to submit on or before Wednesday. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards I will take you the class regularly. Okay, so take care, bye bye.